I'm going to use General Finishes Gel Stain in Antique Walnut and these 4 Dollar Tree little hearts. I'm going to cover them in the stain and allow them to dry. I found this iron-on at Hobby Lobby. It says Love. I believe it was something like $6.99. I did get them 40% off. And I'm going to iron them to the hearts. You're going to want to get a piece of material or something as a barrier. Put your iron on cotton, and you're going to just allow it to sit there for about 3 minutes, and they did iron on nicely. I found these felt hearts from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to glue each heart to the felt, just using hot glue. I found these paneled hearts at the Dollar Tree. I'm going to remove the hanger, and I'm going to glue each heart to the center of these plaques. I don't know if you could tell, but these iron-ons kind of have a textured material to them. I found this board at Michael's last year on the clearance. I'm going to use our Wise Owl white primer to cover the letters. I'm just using a Gen foam brush. This year, Michael's does have some long wood plaques. They're plain, unfinished, and they are $7. It's always a great place to go and get some of your wood is this time of the year at Michael's. Hobby Lobby as well. I'm going to allow this primer to dry, and then once dry, I'm going to go back to that General Finishes and the Antique Walnut, and I'm going to cover the entire board in the stain. Again, using a Gen foam brush, and then I'm going to wipe it back. I kind of wanted to keep an antique vibe to the wood. Once that dries, I'm going to take all my hearts and I'm going to glue them onto my board using Elmer's wood glue and a little bit of hot glue for that instant hold. I just wanted an easy, simple sign that I could put on my front porch during the Valentine's season. I was very happy with this project. I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitupfancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfers, or mesh stencils, chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you.